Alright, so I got a custom made Xbox 360 controller. As you can see, well, I don't know if you know this, but teeth marks on the bottom and the top, and there's blood dripping down. I got the eyeballs red, and I got a smiley face just for fun. And then I just got teeth marks in the back, and then I painted the battery holder thing black. Well, you can't really see this, but that's purple and red, and then purple and red. So yeah, tell me what you think.